Moving photos from iPhone to Android? Learn the easiest ways to transfer your pictures quickly. Option 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android without losing quality. Mobican Transfer for Mobile is one of the best options to transfer pictures from iPhone to Android. This product is a professional phone transfer tool that enables you to transfer data from one phone to another. User Manual. Install and open the transfer tool. Connect both phones and confirm iPhone as source. Select Photos and click Start Copy. Option 2. How to transfer pictures from iPhone to Android by drag and drop. User Manual. Connect both phones to your computer via USB. Open iPhone and Android folders. Select photos from DSIM. Drag and drop photos to Android. Option 3. How to transfer all my photos from iPhone to Android via Send Anywhere. User Manual. Install Send Anywhere on both phones. Tap Send on iPhone and select Photos. Use the PIN or QR code on Android to receive. Option 4. How to transfer images from iPhone to Android using Google Drive. User Manual. Open Google Drive on iPhone and sign in. Upload selected photos. Open Drive on Android and download them. Option 5. How to transfer pics from iPhone to Android by Dropbox. User Manual. Open Dropbox on iPhone and sign in. Upload selected photos. Open Dropbox on Android and download them. Option 6. How to copy photos from iPhone to Android via SHAREit. Install SHAREit on both phones. Tap Send on iPhone and Receive on Android. Select Photos and connect devices. Transfer and check photos on Android. Option 7. How to migrate photos from iPhone to Android via Android Switch. Install Switch to Android on iPhone. Connect both phones and turn off massage. Select photos and other data. Start the transfer and wait.